Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss another session of Laplace transform that is based on the second shifting theorem in inverse Laplace transform. Okay, this second shifting theorem says Laplace inverse of differential of some function f of s, okay, that is equal to minus t into Laplace inverse of f of s. So for to do this problem, you will consider the function which you want to find the Laplace inverse that you taken as f dashes. If you know f dashes, by integrating you can find out this f of s value that you can substitute here instead of doing this. Okay, that's the method we are doing, and also we can verify the result whether this result is true or not. We can verify a function which we already know the inverse Laplace transform using this result. So let me check. See, we know Laplace inverse of 1 by s square, that is equal to t. So from the formula, Laplace inverse of n factorial 1 factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1, that is 1 plus 1. Okay, that is equal to t raised to n. So here t raised to 1. Okay, so this result we already know, and also the Laplace inverse of 1 by s, that also we know, that is Laplace inverse of 1 by s is already 1. Okay, so let me check this result. So I want to find Laplace inverse of 1 by s square using this formula, this shifting theorem. Okay, so what is the result? Minus t into Laplace inverse of f of s. F of s we want to find. So I am taking this f dash as 1 by s square. So f dash s is equal to 1 by s square. Okay. So what is fs? Fs is equal to differential of something is this. Then if you integrate, you will get f of s. So 1 by s square ds. So when you integrate this, you will get minus 1 by s plus c, right? Minus 1 by s. Okay. So f of s, I can find out f dashes is f of s from f dashes by integrating this. So that result is found to be minus 1 by s. Okay. Now let me expand this again. So Laplace inverse of 1 by s square equal to this minus I can take out. So minus into this minus, that is plus. So t into Laplace inverse of 1 by s. What is Laplace inverse of 1 by s? That is equal to 1. So Laplace inverse of 1 by s square is equal to t. The same result we already know. So which confirms this shifting theorem. Now we can do complicated functions, inverse Laplace transform using this. Okay. So for example, we can do a problem here, that is Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square. To do this, we will consider this Laplace inverse of f dash s is equal to minus t Laplace inverse of f of s. We can take this property. Okay, this shifting theorem. Okay, let me go to the blackboard. See, so what is f dashes? So Laplace inverse of f dashes. So f dash, we want to find the inverse Laplace transform of this. So I have to take f dashes as s by s square plus a square whole square. Now what is fs? Fs is the integral of this, that is integral of s ds divided by s square plus a square whole square. Now when I am integrating, I can give s square plus a square is equal to t, that is 2s ds is equal to 2s ds is equal to, I can write as dt, that is s ds is equal to dt by 2. So when I am substituting these values, fs I can write as, that is dt by 2 divided by t square integral. Okay, when I am integrating this, I will get 1 by 2 into 1 by t square I am doing minus 1 by t. So minus 1 by 2t, that is minus 1 by 2 into what is t? T is s square plus a square. Okay. So we got the f of s value. Okay, once I get f of s value, so I can substitute here f dashes and this f of s here. So Laplace inverse of f dashes is s by s square plus a square whole square, that is equal to, I can substitute this value here, minus t into Laplace inverse of f of s. F of s we have solved here, that is minus 1 by 2 into s square plus a square, right? So this minus and minus cancel. So here t into, I am dividing with 1a to make it here t by 2 I have taken a minus minus cancel. Here I am dividing with 1a and multiplying with a. So a by s square plus a square. So now this is in the standard form. We know this result is Laplace inverse of a by s square plus a square, that is sin a t, right? So t by 2a into 1 by 2a into t sin a t. Okay, so this will be the result. Okay, so this is the method to do using this problem. Otherwise it will be more tedious to calculate this. Okay, so this property helps you to solve in the very easy method. Okay, now let me come to another problem, that is, so here you can see another problem. Laplace inverse of s by s square minus a square whole square. Okay, so here also you can take this as f dashes. Okay, so if you take this as f dashes, okay, that is f dashes is equal to, you can take as s by s square minus a square the whole square. So f of s, when you are integrating, the same thing, s square minus a square you can give us t, then 2s d. So minus 1 by 2 only, there is a sign change, t is s square minus a square, this only we will have. And so when you apply here Laplace inverse of this, that is equal to minus t into Laplace inverse of what is f of s, that is minus 1 by 2 s square minus a square, right? So this is equal to minus and minus cancel, t into what I can write, this is Laplace inverse t by 2, I can write as Laplace inverse of 1 by s square minus a square. Okay, so suppose I am dividing t by 2 1a here, Laplace inverse a by s square minus a square. This is a standard result we have studied, Laplace inverse, that is t by 2a into, what is the standard result of this? Okay, so let me, what is the standard result of this? T by 2a into, this is sin hat, right? Sin hat. Okay, so 1 by 2a t sin hat. So this is the final result. Okay, now let me do one more problem. Okay, so Laplace inverse of, the problem is, I can write to here, Laplace inverse of s plus 3 divided by s square plus 6s plus 13 the whole square. Okay, so this I can write as Laplace f dashes, I can take this, right? So I can take f dashes as, so before doing this I can make it in the standard format. Laplace inverse is equal to s plus 3 divided by, can I write this as s plus 3 the whole square plus 2 square? Obviously, that is, this is s square plus 6s plus 9 plus 4, that is 13. Okay, it's whole square, right? Okay, so that's the question. Now so to do this, what I can say, this is our f dashes, right? This I am imagining that f dashes. So f dashes is equal to, I can write as f dashes s is equal to s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 whole square plus 2 square whole square, right? So what is fs? Fs is integral of this. To find the integral, integral s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 the whole square plus 2 square. Okay, so if I take here as this s plus 3 whole square plus 2 square, I am taking as t. So 1 by 2 of s plus 3 I will get as dt. So by 2 into s plus 3, so I am dividing 2 and multiplying 2. So if I am giving this as t, I will get this as dt. So f of s is equal to 1 by 2 into this, here we have whole square, right? Okay, so t square, 1 by t square on differentiation minus 1 by t. So the result will be minus 1 by 2 into t is s plus 3. We have taken this as t. S plus 3 the whole square plus 2 square, right? So using this result, I can write as Laplace inverse of s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 whole square. This is our f dashes, right? That is equal to minus t into Laplace inverse of, what is f of s? F of s we have already solved here. That is minus 1 by 2 into s plus 3 the whole square plus 2 square. Okay. Now this is minus minus cancel. So t into t by 2 into Laplace inverse of. So if I divide here, so if I am dividing and multiplying by 2 to make it in the standard format, so 1 by 2 I am giving here. This I can write as 2 divided by s plus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Now this is a by s square plus a square. This is we know that is t by 4 into, this is sin 80, right? Sin 80, sin 2t. But here s is added with this 3, so we have to multiply with e raised to minus 3t. Okay, by shifting theorem, if s is added with a constant, so you have to multiply it with the negative of that constant into t exponential power. Okay, so this is the final result. Okay, now let me do one more problem, the last question. Okay, Laplace inverse of 2 into s plus 1 divided by s square plus 2s plus 2 the whole square. This also I can write in the standard format, that is 2 into s plus 1 divided by, this is s plus 1 whole square plus 1 square, right? Whole square, right? Okay, now to do this, I am considering f dashes as 2 into s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 the whole square plus 1 square, right? If this is f dashes, what is f of s? F of s is the integral of this, right? F of s is the integral of this, that is integral 2 into s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 the whole square plus 1 square, right? When I here we have whole square, right? Okay, so we may put one more bracket here. Okay, so we have whole square here. So here also we have one whole square, right? Okay, ds. Now if I am giving this as t, I will get this as dt. So 1 by t square dt, that will be is equal to minus 1 by 2t. So f of s is equal to minus 1 by 2 into t. I am taking as this, that is s plus 1 the whole square plus 1 square, right? So this will be the final result. So once I know this Laplace inverse of, so I can substitute this here, Laplace inverse of 2 into s plus 1 divided by s square plus 2s plus 2 the whole square equal to, instead of doing this, I can do Laplace inverse of this property. So I can apply this property, minus t into Laplace inverse of f of s, that is this minus 1 by 2 into s plus 1 the whole square plus 1 square whole bracket. Okay, so again I can take this minus minus cancel, that is minus, that is t by 2, right? T by 2 into, this is a familiar result, that is a by s square plus a square, that is sin 80, that is sin t. But s is added with a constant, so you have to write as e raised to minus t. Okay, so this all about the result. Okay, so in the next session we will discuss another shifting theorem based on this inverse Laplace transform. Okay, thank you.